So it is direct speech. This, that becomes the, these, those. Here becomes there. Now becomes then. Ago becomes before. Today, tonight becomes that day, that night. Yesterday becomes the day before, or the previous day. Tomorrow becomes the next day, the following day, the day before yesterday, the day before the previous day, and the day before tomorrow, the day after the next day. You are supposed to write all this, and this point is important, so please write them down, because these ये time changes ऐसे होते हैं that you have to mug it up, otherwise you'll not remember how to do it, right? Now let me do one thing. Exercise 2, 3 and 4, I'm focusing on the answer key before moving on to the further this thing, so just note it down. Exercise 2, here I'm focusing for 2-3 seconds. Now it's exercise 2 half part and 3. So if you want, you can pause the video here itself, and you can check out the answers. You can write down or copy down the answers so that you do not make any mistakes while writing. And please write all the spellings correctly. It is already given in the sentence itself in the textbook, so you should not make any spelling mistakes. Now here comes exercise 4. Please note down the answers. You can pause the video here and note down. Okay, now further we shall move on. Reporting commands and requests, advice, etc. How do you do that in indirect speech, right? The reporting verb say, said is changed to order, request or requested, ordered or requested or advise or advised. Other words that can be found suitable are ask, beg, command, encourage, forbid, tell, urge, warn, invite, remind. The verb of the reported speech is changed into an infinitive. Do not is changed to not to. This is very important. Do not is changed to not to. Write down all these points. These are very important. You should remember these points while converting the direct speech into indirect one. Write down all these words also. Okay, now please speak a bit slowly so that I can take the notes correctly. I said to the teacher, I requested the teacher to speak a bit slowly, right? Said to the teacher, मतलब उसने please बोला है, तो it is a request. So we will say I requested the teacher to speak a bit slowly so that I could take the notes correctly. Do not play such loud music, for it may disturb the patient. Kriti said to Shikha. Kriti requested Shikha not to play. Do not play का हो गया not to play such loud music, for it might disturb the patient. Leave the room at once and do not show me your face again, said the principal angrily to the peon. The principal angrily commanded the peon to leave the room at once and not to show him his face again. Sarah said to Angela, let's go to some hill station for a change. Sarah proposed to Angela that they should go to some hill station for a change. Let is often used to make proposals. In such cases, the reporting verb is changed to suggest, propose, and the construction we or they should is used. Let's invite some friends to Sumi's birthday, said the mother. Let's not, said the father, right? The mother proposed that they should invite some friends to Sumi's birthday. The father was opposed to the idea. Then let is often used as an ordinary verb meaning allow also. Nishtha said to her uncle, let me go home now as it is getting dark. Nishtha requested her uncle to let her go home as it was getting dark. Now further. Exercise 7, we shall solve it. Change the following from direct to indirect speech. Right? So let us solve it. The first one, take all these registers to the staff room, said Mr. Bose to a peon, right? So how will you change it? um, I think, have we missed one exercise? Yes, I think there is one page in the middle. Oh, this is exercise 6. Yes, we have missed one page in the middle. I'm so sorry. After this, there is this page. So let us do it. I'm sorry, I just missed it out. Last week or year, etc. The previous week or year, etc. Next week or year, etc. The following week or year, etc. The speaker said we tried to control the prices last year. The speaker said that they had tried to control the prices the previous year. My doctor said to me the climate of this city won't suit you. My doctor told me that the climate of the city, this city becomes that city, wouldn't suit me. The teacher said I will be explaining all these problems next week. The teacher said that she would be explaining all these problems in the following week. Reporting statements. In the previous sections we have explained reporting statement को कैसे report करते हैं in indirect speech, that we shall learn now. We have explained the rules for changing tenses, personal pronouns and possessives, and words denoting nearness of time and place. These rules remain the same for all kinds of reported speeches. But reporting verbs and conjunctions depend upon whether we are reporting a statement, a question, or a command. These points are discussed below. The reporting verb say, said may be retained as say, said, or changed to tell, told, right? Some other words that can be used as a reporting verb in place of say are add, admit, answer, argue, assure, complain, deny, explain, object, point out, promise, remark, remind, reply. That is used as a conjunction. Sometimes it is possible to omit that. Sarika said, I want to buy a laptop, but I can't afford it. Sarika said that she wanted to buy a laptop, but she couldn't afford it. Monica said to me, you can stay with us whenever you are in Delhi. Monica told me that I could stay with them whenever I was in Delhi. Ritu said to Mayur, lots of people will be willing to help you. Ritu assured Mayur that lots of people would be willing to help him. Okay, now let us solve exercise 5. Exercise 5, change the following from direct to indirect speech. The chemist said to me, I am sorry, I can't take this bottle of medicine back, for it has already been opened. The chemist told me that he was sorry that he could not take the bottle of medicine back, for it had already been opened. या आप ऐसा भी बोल सकते हो, द केमिस्ट replied regretfully, yeah, regretted that he could not take it back, right? Okay, his father called him and said, you must decide that you want what you want to do, for I can't allow you to waste my hard earned money. His father called him and said that he had to decide what he wanted to do. He मतलब इसके लिए ये he है for his son, for he, his father, could not allow him to waste his hard earned money, because we are not changing the personal pronouns here, so you have to understand he is used for whom, for which person, at what time. The teacher said to Neha, you should do this exercise all over again tomorrow, for it is full of mistakes. The teacher told Neha that she should do that exercise all over again the next day, for it was full of mistakes. That old man said, it is hunger that makes our food tasty, whether we are young or old, rich or poor. The old man said that it is hunger that makes our food tasty, whether we are young or old, rich or poor. Same ही रहेंगे सारे sentences. You are not changing anything. You are just removing the inverted commas there, right? You have to remove the inverted commas and convert it into by putting a कंजंक्शन लाइक दैट. आप उसको निकाल के उसको सिंपल स्टेटमेंट आपका वहीं का वहीं रखना है. माई मदर इज़ नॉट अवेलेबल एट द मोमेंट, बट शी विल बी बैक इन अबाउट हाफ एन आवर, सेड विभू. Vibhu said that her mother was not available at the moment, but she would be back in about half an hour. I said, I admit I acted thoughtlessly in what I did. I admitted that I had acted thoughtlessly in what I had done. I went to the ticket checker and said, I wouldn't like to travel by the train if you don't give me a slipper. स्लीपर यानी यहाँ पे सीट की बात हो रही है, स्लीपर कोच होता है, राइट. I went to the ticket checker and told him that I would not like to travel by that train if he did not give me a sleeper. आगे. Ravina's coach said to her, you should train hard and very regularly if you want to do well in this tournament. Ravina's coach told her that she should train hard and very regularly if she wanted to do well in the tournament. Now moving on to reporting questions. Quickly we'll read it and solve exercise 6. Reporting questions. The reporting verb say, said is changed to ask or asked or inquire or inquired. Other words that can be used as a reporting verb are demand, wonder, want to know. Inquire and demand are followed by the preposition of. No conjunction is used while reporting WH questions. Yes or no questions take if or whether as a conjunction. Direct question form is changed to indirect question form. I said to Neetu, where have you been all these days? I asked Neetu where she had been all those days. I went near the old man and said, who are you and why are you sitting here alone? I went near the old man and inquired of him who he was, and why he was sitting there alone. Aren't you afraid of going out alone in the dark? My father said to me. No, said I. My father asked me if I wasn't afraid of going out alone in the dark. I replied that I wasn't. Right? No, I wasn't. No, I wasn't. Shall I book for you a room in the Hotel Grand this weekend? I said to Anu, sorry. I will be thankful if you do, said Anu. I asked Anu if I should book for her a room in Hotel Grand that weekend. Anu replied that she would be grateful if I do so. थैंकफुल की जगह पे हमने ग्रेटफुल यूज़ किया है. ओके, थैंकफुल अगर यूज़ करोगे देन ऑल्सो इट्स फाइन, इट्स ओके. Then exercise 6, change the following from direct to indirect speech. How many students have already taken admission to the French class? I asked the teacher. I asked the teacher how many students had already taken admission to the French class. Next one, Naren said to the dealer, can you show me a second-hand car in a good condition? I have an owner-driven Spark, only 2 years old, said the dealer. Naren asked the dealer if he would show him a second-hand car in good condition. The dealer replied that he had an owner-driven Spark, only 2 years old. How long would you take to service my washing machine? I said to the mechanic. I asked the mechanic how long he would take to service my washing machine. Now from 4, 5, 6, 7, this you will do it in the homework. I am just focusing on the answer key so that you can go through it. I am just pausing the video on exercise 5 and 6 so that you can take it down, right, for 2-3 seconds. If you want, you can pause the video and note down all the answers in your notebook. And please do not make any spelling or grammatical mistakes. Copy down exactly as it has been shown or given here. And further ये है exercise 6 part 2. उसके बाकी के sentences 4, 5, 6, 7 I have asked you to do it in the homework. So please copy it down here. Okay, now we have finished up to मैंने आपको ये भी एक्सप्लेन कर दिया, पहले गलती से मैंने पेज टर्न कर दिया था. सो रिपोर्टिंग कमांड्स एंड एडवाइस ऑल्सो वी हैव डन. So we have reached up to exercise 7, right? ये miss हो गया था, so we went back again and we solved it. So exercise 7 we will do it next time, and we stop here today. Okay. Write down all the points that I've made you underline in your notebook, please. They are very important. Examples यहाँ पे एक एक ही लिखोगे तो चलेगा. It doesn't make much difference, right? But please write down all the important points which I have made you underline. ये सब points underline करो क्योंकि ये बहुत ज़रूरी है. एक ही example लिखो, otherwise you will not understand. Reporting statements में say, said, told हो जाता है, और ऐसे सब admit, add, ये सारे the conjunction that is used. Write down one example, right? और ये सारे आंसर्स तो आपको नोटबुक में ही लिखने हैं, क्वेश्चंस रहने दो यहीं पे. डू नॉट राइट डाउन ऑल द सेंटेंसेस एंड देन आंसर्स. ये लिखने के लिए मैंने बोला है, राइट? आंसर्स सारे लिखो, क्वेश्चंस लिखने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. मतलब ये जो सेंटेंस है वो लेट इट बी हियर ओनली इन द टेक्स्ट बुक. राइट डाउन द आंसर डायरेक्टली बाय पुटिंग एक्सरसाइज 1, राइट? सो दैट you do not waste much time in that. Otherwise, you'll keep on writing and writing and writing. And from exercise 7, we shall start it next time. We stop here today.